What is going on YouTube, it's your boy Alexandrus, and as you guys can see by the title, we are back again with another video about BDAG. And this video, guys, as you can see, we are starting a little bit different than other BDAG videos, because today we are on CoinMarketCap to begin with, and I will tell you why in just a second. But before we start with the video, guys, as always, I need to let you know that I'm not a financial advisor. You should always do your own research and you should always do your own due diligence, because I don't take any responsibility for your actions. And with that being said, we can jump into this video, guys. Stay till the end because it is worth it. So why we are on CoinMarketCap, you might ask? Because I wanted to kind of talk about the whole market situation shortly and sort of explain you how I see certain, choices when it comes to buying different tokens and coins, and generally speaking, tier 1 projects, that are launched during bull run, because that's when they give you the best ROIs, guys. So when there is a bull run right now, maybe it's slowed down a little bit, but basically when there is a bull run, no matter what launches, it pretty much essentially goes to the moon, and then it usually dumps. But if you are lucky enough, you can make some quick profit, right? There are some also reliable investments in tier 1 projects. So let's say you can, I don't know, buy Solana, buy BNB, Ethereum, BTC, and then you can count on 2, 3, 4x profits, obviously long term. And this should, over the next few years, should guarantee you profit. But obviously in this environment, nothing is guaranteed, but what I'm trying to say is that if you want to get higher returns, right, then you should look for real life-changing projects, and projects with utility, etc., that are tier 1 and that are super early to the game right now, okay? So you can take advantage of the highest possible profits. And honestly, I can see BDAG as one of these projects, guys, because they have a lot of potential. We talked about them in the other videos before, so if you haven't watched these videos, guys, I will link them in this description of this video, so you can go ahead and watch them. But for those that are new, let me quickly explain what BDAG actually is. So BDAG, inspired by Bitcoin and Kaspa, is the world's most advanced layer 1 blockchain, guys, a cutting-edge proof-of-work algorithm that delivers industry-leading speeds, unbeatable security, and high decentralization. It is built for future, guys. BDAG can power everyday applications to enterprise-grade DeFi protocols. With the power to mine from anywhere, BDAG makes crypto mining simple for everyone, and they have a lot of unique mining devices as well. If you go to their product, you have BDAG X1, X10, X30, X100. There is a whole video explaining this as well, and they also have their keynote video in which this topic is also talked about. So some of the notable features that they have, guys. Oh, that's my video here, that's cool to see. But basically, some notable features of BDAG is that it's, first of all, quick and efficient, guys. BDAG actually facilitates rapid transaction processing with its DAG architecture, which, if you don't know what is actual DAG architecture, then you can also watch my previous video where we were taking a look at their white paper, or DAG paper as they call it here, and that's where you were able to get hold of all these informations, and it's worth to check that out as well. They have low transaction fees because BDAG, guys, puts an end to exorbitant transaction fees. They have EVM compatibility also because they align seamlessly with the Ethereum virtual machine. Scalability, the BDAG architecture promotes intrinsic scalability. They also have the payment card, guys, right here, where you can experience the future of finance with the BDAG crypto payment card. And they also have proof of engagement mobile application, which I also have pulled up here, where you can mine crypto as you engage with the ecosystem, guys. And I wanted to talk about the pre-sale opportunity itself, because BDAG is running a grand and unique ICO, which is one of its kind, I would say, guys, because they have every chance to break the record of Ethereum ICO, which, as you might know, all-time high is 15,625x, which is crazy, by the way. So yeah, good to those who bought Ethereum early. But why I think so. First of all, guys, the presale is divided into 45 stages. Okay, it is divided into 45 stages, guys. And since the start of the presale, the price of BDAG token has already increased 3 times. So that's from 0.0015 cent to 0.005, which is 1 second of a cent. Okay, and the token price on the listing is 5 cents, guys, which is essentially almost 10x from now, because currently 0.006 USDT is 1 BDAG. So as you can see, it is rapidly selling out. We have another stage here, and yet another one, it will be 0.007, as you can see. So the more stages it goes through, the more expensive the token is, okay? So it should technically give you a guaranteed return of almost 10x at the launch, okay? From the current price, which is 0.006, which you can see right here, okay? Alright, and the project team, guys, is preparing additional bonuses and rewards for early stage investors, so early investors will get even more profit and dividends. And many people are also talking about their actual price potential, right, and the overall prediction. So multiple experts and market leaders are already talking about BlockDAG, guys, and these talks are supported by partnerships with leading projects such as OpenAI, Ethereum, Trust Wallet, and Tether. So I won't give my price prediction, guys, but just share some ideas that other influential players are talking about. So the most modest forecasts say that BDAG could reach $10, guys, as early as the second half of 2025, which, you know, if you even get like, I don't know, let's say $200 worth of BDAG, which is, man, like, it's mad cheap, okay? It's super cheap right now, and imagine this goes to $10, okay, guys? So that's over 1000x if I'm correct. So that's pretty crazy, to be totally honest with you guys. And among the most ambitious forecasts, it's a price of $110 to $120 by the end of 2025, which would be absolutely incredible. But the truth can be, you know, somewhere in the middle actually. So maybe you could expect like $40-50, which, man, that's I'm speechless, you know. So if you go in at this stage, let's say, this could get you returns of more than 2.5 million % actually, guys, and that's really unbelievable, to be totally honest with you. And they're constantly doing many competitions, giveaways as well, which I also wanted to touch on. So this one still has many days left and you can participate, guys. So moreover, you know, to promote their pre-sale, BlockDAG has launched this $2 million giveaway that will divide into 50 winners. So in order to unlock the chance of being one of the 50 lucky winners, you need to make sure that you hold at least $100 worth of BDAG. But man, the rewards are crazy. So if you plan on investing anyway, then it's definitely worth it to join the giveaway, you know what I'm saying? So that's also another cool thing. Let's have a look at their partners real quick, and let's talk about some other stuff, guys. So you can also get the passive income from their mining, obviously, okay, because that's another thing that BlockDAG is all about. So now what makes them true gold mine, guys, is the mining, okay, the BDAG mining, and you can earn passive income from 100% APY thanks to BDAG mining equipment, whatever type you decide to choose, okay? You have cloud mining, which offers the opportunity to take advantage of the computational power of remote data centers and earn potential returns, and you also have your hardware mining, guys, okay? So I'm very excited about this project, okay? You know, in 2009 we had Bitcoin, in 2014 we had Ethereum, we had Solana in 2020. 2024, guys, could definitely be a year of BDAG, okay? So it would be pretty bad to miss this ICO, guys, but obviously, guys, as I'm always saying, you know, I'm not a financial advisor. At the end of the day, you need to do your own research and your own due diligence, but BDAG definitely has a lot of potential, and it has the chance to become a major player in 2024, especially with all the features that they have and the incredible mining that you can also calculate how profitable it is. And man, the price, if it changes, then even on your BDAG X1 you can be earning $20, you know, which is crazy. People are constantly buying. You can see the pop-ups in the left bottom corner. Look, another one, $260. So this is selling out incredibly fast, you know. It is up to you whether you want to jump in or no. I will also recommend you to join their social medias, Twitter, Telegram, so you are up to date with all the things that they are pushing. And that's it, guys, from me for today. Thank you so much for watching. All links to BlockDAG will be in the description of this video, guys, and see you in the next videos coming out soon.